Hey, just a heads up, this video is going to look a lot like one of those videos where I show you a little bit of something and then I say, well, to see the rest, you have to go here and you have to buy this. Just a heads up, this video is going to look a lot like that. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com and the Empire Forums, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely, hence different hotel rooms and pets and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. But what I'm going to show you is the Caption Master 2.0. Something I designed a long time ago and I'm continuously updating. So this one is for OnlyFans and to post content. Do you know, when you're posting content so often, scheduling on a weekly basis or a monthly basis, or perhaps you've outsourced it and you're getting one of your VAs to schedule the content. Either way, you need some kind of process because you have to imagine when you scale up and you get more than one model, this is going to get very complicated, it's going to get very tedious, and it's going to start taking a lot of time. So you have to simplify everything wherever you can. So how do I do that? Well, I created the Caption Master 2.0. I created one for this, one for Reddit, one for what else? Can't remember. One for stories and stuff. One for my own. One for the agency social media, but you know, that's aside from that. Oh yeah, you could use that as well. So I'm going to show you this one for OnlyFans. So I'm not sure how YouTube is going to like this content, but we're going to give a demo, right? So picture this. You're scheduling content for a model. Well, we do it weekly. I'm assuming you're doing it weekly, whatever. You're scheduling content for a model and you have all the photos there and stuff like that. See on another video how to organize that because you want to organize everything. You want to organize everything. You have to assume you're going to scale big. Otherwise, what are you in it for? What, you just plan on having one model? Oh, unless you're a girl, I guess, and you're doing this for yourself. This can still work for you as well. Oh, or a guy, you know what I mean. Anyway, so what I'm getting at is when you're doing this at scale, you're going to need a way to come up with captions because it takes a lot of like mental energy trying to get creative. Yeah, look, if you're doing it every now and then and you're hardly ever doing it and you're outsourcing or whatever, and you go, nah, I can think of captions easy. Yeah. We all can. But when you're doing this so fucking frequently and on such a large scale, your brain gets a little. So anyway, let me show you it. So what I've done is this. I've created a little caption master where, depending on the type of content you're posting, whether you're posting a general post, a call to action, like anyone online tonight, something that gets the subs to engage, because if they engage with you, you have a high chance of selling than if you reach out to them. Upsell captions, still adding to this list. This is something like, you make a post that kind of points towards some content you want to sell. That's what upsell caption is. Fundraising caption, still going to add to this. This gets a little hairy, I guess, because, it's fundraising. This is like a post where you write something and you say tip below. Oh no, I can't remember how it works. I haven't done one of these in ages. This is like you write something like, I'm saving up for a new lingerie set, or I need rent. No, I'm joking. Oh, it does work. Anyway, this is one of those posts, and you get all your subs to contribute X amount by tipping, blah, blah, blah. And this is one of those posts. Poll caption, just to keep people engaged. So you might post the poll, perhaps with a photo, perhaps with not a photo. And you want to get people engaged. So create a whole bunch of them. Then you got mass PPVs. Still working on this. Haven't kind of added to this because when I design scripts and stuff, it's hard to keep up with them because you can update the script, update the PDF, and then upload to Empire as well, and then to upload it to this. You got to give us some time. All right, give me some time. And then schedule. So assuming you're going to have more than one model, you'll add to it. So we've got two templates here. So you'll have the client, Incogniton, or whatever entity tech browser you're using, the proxy associated with it, and the time zone. And then you're going to have the times that you post each day, along with the type of content you're posting on that day. So with us, we tend to do 2 posts a day. I was going to say on average, but no, at minimum. One is a post, one is a call to action. Post is normally around midday. Call to action is normally just before the chatters jump on. And every now and then we'll throw on a poll and something else, Anyway, so if you're passing this on to a VA to do, how can they go wrong? They go, okay, so I'm doing the schedule here. Sunday they'll have this post at this time, this, da, da, da. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Anyway, so, all right. So you want to make a post. You have the photo you have in mind. what I normally do is I'll go find the model's content that I'll be using for that day, and I'll put it separately. And then once I've used it or, scheduled posts with it, I mark it. I give it kind of like a code. I've done another video on this because you gotta keep track of fucking everything. I do it just to keep it short and keep this video brief. I give it a kind of code, and then I copy and paste it back in the inventory, just so I know that it's been done on OnlyFans. Long story, long story. Point is, I section off the content I plan on using for that week, and then I work around that. So here is an example. So I've got Monday, all right? Got Monday, she's in lingerie, she's kinky, and she's got handcuffs on. So you'd be like, okay, I want to post for Monday. So it's kind of kinky. So that would probably be, you could go submissive. So it'd be like face down, ass up, depending on, where her ass is. If she's got handcuffs on and she's, doing that cool pose, where the back is arched and the ass is up, you know what I mean? Anyway, it's YouTube. We'll keep it. Well, this would apply. If it doesn't, just try it again. So you'll go submissive. Arousing you arouses me. Good enough. So then you'll copy, post this into the schedule or into the post, and then you'll upload the photo accordingly. So therefore, Monday would have arousing you arouses me. Actually, I'm not sure how that relates, but we're just going to, I'm showing you an example. So then you copy paste that into the post, and then you'll upload the photo accordingly, which is, the one in lingerie with handcuffs. And then that's it. Now, it's Monday. Remember my schedule? My schedule is later on. We do a call to action. So it's Monday, right? Now you want a call to action. There you go. You want one for Monday. So you go, okay, it's Monday. What do we have here? Oh, hey, I hope you had a great weekend. I'm still here. My DMs will be open most of the night. Then copy, paste this. We don't normally post a photo with call to actions because, you want to kind of stretch it out. You want to stretch it out. So call to action is normally just text. So you copy this, paste that. Guess what? Monday is done. Monday is done. So then you go, okay, that's done. Oh, why have we got Sunday? Oh, same thing. Then you go, okay, Monday's done. Now we'll go to Tuesday. Oh, Tuesday, there's a poll. Now with the poll, we normally post the photo as well because, you want to get some maximum engagement. And okay, Tuesday's a poll. Doesn't really matter what you do. So we'll go, right, we'll just go generic. Generic, we'll choose from any of the above. Let's post the poll. You like the content I'm posting? This is good, by the way. You want to keep track of, like, your subs are digging what you're doing. Yes, oh my God, are you kidding? No, Soz, I love it, but I would like my hosts more frequently. So you'll copy and post this in just the post. And then for the options, the poll options, you'll copy and paste the top line and then copy paste the second line. Fortunately, look, if I really wanted to, you could break this up into different cells. So then you can just copy the cell and paste in the option. But look, we can't make it too easy now, can we? Then that will be the poll done. Then you'll upload the photo accordingly that you have planned for that Tuesday. And then guess what? You need a call to action. Now, from memory, I don't think I have any call to actions listed for Tuesday, but let's have a look, shall we? No, there's none. So you'll just go generic, boom. Feeling frisky and in need of some attention. So you'll just copy this, paste this in there. And guess what? Tuesdays, see how fucking quick that is? Now, just to show you another demo, we'll go Wednesday. Right, Wednesday. We're posting some now. OnlyFans doesn't really like this, but we try and get around a little bit. Let's start posting some Daddy's Little Girl content. I say this because I'm forever kind of having issues with one of our models posting Daddy's Little Girl content. OnlyFans didn't really like that, so we kind of dance around a little bit. So say you're posting Daddy's Little Girl content, don't go too full on. If you have like a pacifier and stuff, OnlyFans is pretty much gonna. But say she's portraying the image anyway, and she looks like a Daddy's Little Girl, without showing OnlyFans that it's actively Daddy's Little Girl, the whole bottle and the pacifier and that. Anyway, you get the picture. So it's Daddy's Little Girl content, Daddy's Little Girl photo. So we go, all right, posting Daddy's Little Girl. Let's get a caption for it, shall we? All ready for a session with my new daddy. Who wants to be my new daddy? So guess what? On Wednesday, you'll copy, paste that into the post. Then you'll upload the Daddy's Little Girl photo. Guess what? Wednesday post is done. Now guess what? Yeah, you guessed it. Later on is a call to action. So it'll be Wednesday. Wednesday, call to action. I think we do have some in here. So Wednesday we'll go, boom. Oh, there's none. I thought we had some about hump day. No, I didn't. Anyway, I guess I haven't added to it yet. Hump day is a pretty good one. I don't know if that's just an Australian thing, but it's like Wednesday, hump day. We're over the hills now. We're nearly the weekend, that kind of thing. So then you just go generic. Or if you really, we've got time pressure and other things like that. So you'll just go generic. online, and I feel like playing. Copy, paste that. Guess what? Wednesday is done. See how fucking quick that is? Now imagine if you're outsourcing this, which I recommend when you've got more than one model, you probably should start outsourcing because it gets a little, it gets a little much. Then you get the model. Then you get the VA. You give them, well, not the login details. You've seen other videos. I'm not going to go over all that. They get their own like login credentials for Incogniton or whatever entity tech you're using. You'll have the tab already ready to go in a browser profile. So they'll open it up. The OnlyFans that they're scheduling content for will be there. And then in a Google Drive, they'll have this open also in Google Sheets. So they'll schedule the content. They go, okay, here's the content that he says we need to use for this week. So on Monday, we're using the handcuffs. So what should we do here? Well, oh yeah, we'll go Monday and then look for submissive or whatever you want. Whatever you want. Oh, YouTube, ignore that. See what I mean? They can't go wrong. Now, imagine this. You want to extrapolate this. Extrapolate this to all of your things that you have going on. So all of your marketing efforts. See how easy that was for OnlyFans? Now extrapolate that. Make that for Reddit with Reddit stories, Reddit posts, blah, blah, blah. Make that for your social media content, for your agency even. And then everything gets easier and easier because that's what it's all about. Now, I'm not going to show you all the other Reddit and stuff. I was just keeping this one short and simple. And here's the part where you go, I knew it. I knew you were just plugging something. So, of course, I'm not going to attach this in the comments or on YouTube. Yes, I know. It's here. Whereabouts is it? I'm pretty sure it is under content creation. And then it is, there you go, boom. Make a bundle of various OnlyFans captions. On it, 25 captions. Boom, Caption Master 2.0 YouTube guide. There it is. It's in there. Yeah, I know. You're going to go to it and go, yes, yeah, I got to pay. I knew it. I knew the whole YouTube video was a scam. Yeah, you do have to pay. It happens. Have you seen everything on there? It happens. Now, if you want, I'm sure you can freeze this frame by frame, make your own little Excel spreadsheet. That's cool. Use ChatGPT, write up some equations for you. Yeah, whatever. What are they called? Cell equation? Something like that. Yeah, whatever. That's cool. That's cool. I gave you the heads up, all right? Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. The point is, automate where you can, because then it allows you to grow and put that mental energy into more important tasks. And that's how you get big. So that's it. So if you like the content, go smash like button, smash subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.